Before I started my business, I had no idea how to mount a TV, let alone know the right type of mount to use for any situation. Between the full motion mount, the tilt mounts, the fixed mounts, there's a whole bunch of mounts out there and it can get pretty overwhelming trying to decide which one's gonna work for your situation. So I made this series as a way to help you guys find out what's gonna work for y'all and give you the advantages and disadvantages between each of the mounts. This first episode is gonna be about the full motion mount. Stay tuned guys as I break it all down. What's going on guys? It is I, Larry the Tech Guy, coming at you guys with another video. I'm the owner of a tech installation business called TechWorks TV Mounting, and in my business, the most popular mount that all my clients usually request is going to be the full motion mount. The full motion mount is designed to give you full range of motion with your TV. It comes in a lot of different shapes and forms, but the one that we're going to be talking about in this video is going to be the traditional full motion mount that comes on a bracket that attaches to two separate studs. The full motion mount is great because it allows you so much flexibility with your living situation. If you're like me, I like to move my furniture around from time to time, and whenever you have a TV that can't move really, it kind of limits you on what you can do in your living room. But with a full motion mount, you can kind of turn things how you like them, and then the TV can adjust accordingly. Another benefit to having the full motion mount is it's a lot easier to install new devices to it. Normally, when you're trying to get behind a TV, it's really complicated. But with the full motion mount, all you have to do is pull the TV out a little bit from the wall, connect your devices, and then you're good to go. One thing that I don't really like about the full motion mount is that with all the moving parts involved with it, it becomes a little bit more complex to install. But if you read the instructions and you follow them step by step, it shouldn't be a problem. Another issue with the full motion mount is that compared to other types of mounts, it can be a little bit more expensive compared to those. The only reason it's a little bit more expensive though is just it offers more features than the other mounts. All in all, the full motion mount is the most versatile mount of them all. It offers almost all the features of the other mounts, all compacted into one. Yeah, it can be a little more complex to install, but if you're willing to take the time and learn exactly how to install the mount, you won't have any issues. For more in-depth steps on how to install a full motion mount, or any mount for that matter, check out this video right here as we go step by step into installing different types of mounts and some tips and tricks that you're gonna wanna check out. If you got anything useful from this video, consider liking and subscribing to the page. Also, if you have any questions about the full motion mount or any mount for that matter, go ahead and leave that in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.